that by now you would have filed your company financial statements with the Registrar of Companies, that is ROC. Similarly, you must file various company forms with the ROC every year. So, what are the fees to be paid for filing these forms? Stay with me to find out the fees to be paid while filing different ROC forms. Hello and welcome. I am Ayushi from Clear. We have assisted more than 4 lakh growing businesses. Do subscribe to support us and get a clear explanation of business concepts. Many annual forms must be filed by a company mandatorily with the ROC. Let's look at the important forms that a company needs to file with the ROC. Every company needs to file Form DPT-3, that is Return of Deposits, furnishing information about deposits and or outstanding receipt of loan or money other than deposits within 30th June of every year. The DIR-3 KYC form is the Director KYC submission form for DIN holders as of 31st March of the respective financial year. Every person who has a DIN allotted and the status of the DIN is approved should file the DIR-3 KYC form within 30th September of every year. Every company must file the form AOC4, that is the form for filing the financial statements of the company within 30 days from the conclusion of the annual general meeting, that is AGM. Since the last date to conduct AGM is 30th September, the AOC4 form must be filed within 30th October of every year. All companies must file the MGT7 form, that is the annual returns of the company, within 60 days from the AGM. Thus, it must be filed within 29th November of every year. The companies must file the resolution passed in the AGM in form MGT14 within 30 days of the conclusion of the AGM. Thus, it must be filed within 30th October of every year. All these forms must be filed within the due date, or else the company will have to file it by paying the additional fees for delay along with the regular fees. Now let's move on and find out the fees to be paid by the company while filing these forms. The company's registration officers and fees rules 2014 provides the table of fees to be paid by a company while filing forms and documents with the ROC. The fees for the ROC forms vary based on the share capital of a company. Here are the fees for filing the annual ROC forms. Companies having a share capital below 1 lakh must pay a fee of Rs 200 per document. Similarly, companies having a share capital above 1 lakh but below 5 lakh should pay Rs 300. Companies with a share capital above 5 lakhs but below 25 lakhs should pay Rs 400. Companies with a share capital above 25 lakhs but below 1 crore should pay Rs 500, and companies having a share capital above 1 crore should pay Rs 600 per document. A company not having a share capital will have to pay fees of Rs 200 per document. However, please note that there are no fees for filing Form DIR-3 KYC by the company directors within the due date. Did you get to know the fees to be paid along with your annual company forms? If yes, please write clear in the comments below. If not, let us know your query in the comments below and we will address them as soon as possible. In case of a delay in filing the annual ROC forms, a company must pay the additional fees or delay fees along with the regular fees for filing the forms. In case of a delay in filing forms AOC4 and MGT7, a company has to pay an additional fee of Rs 100 per day. In case of a delay in filing Form DIR-3 KYC, the company directors will have to pay a delay fee of Rs 5,000. Here are the additional fees to be paid by a company in case of a delay in filing the ROC forms except Form DIR-3 KYC. For a delay up to 30 days, companies will have to pay an additional fee up to 2 times of the normal filing fees. For a delay beyond 30 days up to 60 days, the additional fee is 4 times of the normal filing fees. For a delay of more than 60 days but less than 90 days, the additional fee is 6 times of the normal filing fee. For a delay of 90 to 180 days, the additional fee is 10 times of the normal filing fee, and for a delay beyond 180 days, the additional filing fee is 12 times of the normal filing fee. So folks, that's it for today. You can contact our experts for business or finance related queries by clicking on the chat link provided in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and stay tuned for more updates.